Experiencing totality during a solar eclipse doesn't just block the sun, it translates abstract cosmic math into physical sensations. We usually study astrophysics through distant, lifeless calculations on a page, but take an observer standing in an ordinary historic plaza as the moon's shadow races toward them. As the moon partially obscures the sun, the changing planetary geometry alters the incoming light rays. It projects tiny, pinhole-effect crescent shadows through the leaves directly onto the ground. But this shifting geometry isn't just a lighting change. The terrestrial environment is physically reacting to a sudden, localized blockage of solar radiation. The tangible impact hits fast. A sudden drop in temperature physically chills the plaza, triggering an artificial midday dusk that alters local animal behavior. Then comes the final translation at totality, where the blinding glare vanishes entirely. This exposes the sun's delicate outer atmosphere, visually mapping its magnetic fields to the naked eye. This pale silver light is called the solar corona, and that observer standing in the historic plaza, surrounded by sudden twilight, they didn't just watch the math of astrophysics, they physically felt the clockwork of the solar system.